here in question number 16, we are given that 3a plus 4b is 16 and ab is 4. And we are supposed to find the value of 9a square plus 16b square. So it means clearly if I square this, I will get 9a square and 16b square, right? So let me try that. I have 3a plus 4b equal to 60. So what I will do is, I will square both the sides. So squaring both sides will give me 3a plus 4b whole square is equal to 16 whole square. Now this becomes a plus b whole square. So if I open this, this will become 9a square, a square, plus 16b square, and then plus 2 into a. My a is 3a into b. b is 4b equal to square of 16 is 256. Right? Now this becomes 9a square plus 16b square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 ab is equal to 256. Now I am given the value for AB as 4. So I will replace this AB as 4. So finally I will get 9A square plus 16B square plus 24 into 4 is equal to 256. So if I solve it further, I will get 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 is 9 is equal to 256. Now if I shift it on this side, I will get 9a square plus 16b square is equal to 256 minus 96. So I found the value of 9a square plus 16b square as 6 minus 6 is 0, 15 minus 6 is 15 minus 9 is 6, and then we are left with 1. So I got the value of 9a square plus 16b square as 160. Right? Let's go to 17th sum. Now in 17th question, I am given that a plus b is equal to 2. And I am also given that a minus b is equal to 10. Now he wants me to find the value of a square plus b square and then the value of ab. Right? Now what I will do is, this is my first equation. So I will square this. So if I square it, I have to square it on both the sides. Right? So I will get a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 4. 2 square is 4. Right? Let me name this equation as equation 1. Now I will go to this equation and square it. So I will get a square plus b square but minus 2ab equal to 10 square is 100. So this is my second equation. Now what I will do is, I will add these two equations. So what will I get? A square plus a square. If I am adding these two equations, I will get 2a square. And if I add these two, I will get plus 2b square. But I will get rid of this because this is plus 2ab and this is minus 2ab. And this side, if I add these two, I will get 104. Now here I can take 2 common and then I will get a square plus b square equal to 104. So finally my a square plus b square is equal to 104 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 2 2s are. So I got the value of a square plus b square as 52. Fine. Now I have to find the value of AB. So what will I do? I will either go to equation 1 or to equation 2 to find the value of AB. Let me take equation 1. What is my equation 1? A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 4. Now I know this value. This is 52. So I will substitute a square plus b square as 52 plus 2ab equal to 4. If I shift this to this side, what will I get? I will get 2ab is equal to 4 minus 52, right? That will give me 2ab as minus 48. So if I divide this 2 by this 48, I will get AB as minus 24. So I have found the value of AB also, right?